Hey guys, my name is Sid. I'm founding engineer at Supatest. At Supatest, our aim is to make your test creation journey as easy as possible. Now today for this we will be looking at Test Explorer. Now this is area where you will be spending and your team will be spending most of your time navigating through different test cases, going through different directories, right? So now this whole page has a lot of things to offer. So now we will look into all of these things. So at the first glance, this page has been divided into two portions. One is this left side where you can see the whole directory like structure. This is much more familiar, like you will able to draw parallels through IDE or even file explorer in your native OSs. So this we have implemented to introduce the familiarity in the platform itself. Now here you can just navigate through, expand all these folders, and there are different folder inside these folders and different files. So these are the test files and these are some nested folders, as you can see, and you can easily create a lot of nesting according to your need. Maybe you want to create folders based on features, maybe based on teams, different teams, etc. You can easily create it. Now in this main area, this is where all the files are being shown of this particular selected folder. Right now by default, when you come to test page, home directory is being selected. So home is nothing but the system folder, as you can see. Now let's say when I select editor, editor folder, things open, which has a lot of test cases, some folders, and the stats also changes for the editor directory. Now let's go step by step. So this is the left layout. You can toggle this to have the main area expand, and then there are some action menu items. Now you can create a new test cases, create a new snippet, create new folders. So these are like three creation that is being supported, and you can also import the test cases. We will look into all of these one by one. Now all of these creations, as this explorer right now sits at the global level, it will create the test cases at root directory or root folder, which is home in this case. But if you want to create a particular test case or a folder inside a particular folder, you can easily do it. Just go, let's say I want to create inside the recorder. I can just go here, right click, and create a new folder. And as you can see, create new folder inside recorder. Even I can create a new test case inside this and the test case inside the recorder directory. Now this is how you can create files. Now let's navigate through maybe a different directory itself. Now let's say we are here. Now I am in expression directory, and there are like total 1 test cases. These are the stats that are being shown, and this is breadcrumb which helps you understand where you are exactly in this whole Supatest Explorer context. It helps you understand, and you can also navigate through this. So let's say I want to go to home again. I can easily go. You can navigate through the Explorer itself, right? Now apart from that, there are a lot of stats that are being shown. Now these stats are right now showing of the global level because we are in a system directory. Now let's say let's go to test page and test details. Now this will show the stats of this directory. It has 15 test cases, out of which 14 have been passing and 1 is failed, and it has this overall success rate of this folder overall 93%. You can also create, as we also saw, that you can create test cases or snippets, folders from here. Similarly, you can create test cases, snippets, and folders from here also. This will create test case in this directory. Next feature is filters. So now we have a variety of filters available here. You can filter through content type. We have all the content types here, statuses, and even the states also. Is the test case is active or not, or is it being snoozed? Even when the test case has been created, let's maybe try filtering with some tags. So I have a lot of tags over here, so let me filter it with sanity and negative. Okay, no negative, positive. Yeah, so as you can see, it filters out here, and let me filter the passing test cases only. So it filters out. So this is how you can play with filters and understand a different combination you can create to filter out what is the files and folders that fall into that category. Now you can clear all these filters to show all the files and folders in that directory. There is like different view to it. This is the list view. You can also use the grid view if you like. Another thing is this batch operations. Now let's say you want to select all these files and this folder also and move to a different folder. You can do it. If you want to delete it, you can also do this thing, deleting the batch files and directories. Operations, you can do it from here also. This is the action menu item for it. So you can, let's say, select. You can also hold shift to select multiple files. So move into different files, different folders, and different. I can even delete these. So now the last thing that has been remaining is import. So as I click on import, I can select the folder where I want the test case to be imported. Then I can just name simple, paste the code here, and you can use the entity type, which is you can import it as a snippet or a test case. Let's say we want to import it as a test case only, and then this is a simple playwright script. As it uses AI in the backend, it can take maybe a few seconds to a minute. Now as you can see, the text explorer imported successfully. Now let's see where the test case is. Here, this is a simple test that we have created. Let's go through it, and it has created two Supatest steps. Click on something and verify something. So this importing particular script is as simple as that. That's about it. This was the video about test explorer. This is quite a long video, but this tackles down all the things that you should know as in tester using Supatest. Different things around how you can run a folder, how you can create different test cases inside a directory, nesting of it, filters, importing a test case, etc. So yeah, I think you find this video helpful. Thank you.